What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Part 2. Matt wasn't. You fucked up.
I fucked up the video the first time, and then he fucked up his speech because he doesn't know how to English the second time. Look what we got. Cory bought a 2016 Subaru BRZ for a fucking killer deal.
Really good.
And it's got a hole in the block. So we are pulling the engine. Well, I'm not. They are.
It's an easy
This guy.
viewing block. You know, it's a good
this
point
guy.
to view the engine.
Yeah, it's a windowed, vented block mod. We got an engine getting delivered here tomorrow. Tonight they're gonna pull it, and
You say we like you are, but you're not doing it.
I'm busy. I'm busy with the S13 over there. Pew. You know the S13. Hopefully.
The cool one.
Yeah. So far they have done a bunch of shit, and Cory is very satisfied with how easy it is to work on an
I thank
FRS
you, Toyota
BRZ.
and Subaru.
Good job, guys.
If you've never pulled an engine, and this is the first engine you're ever pulling, it's simple.
Do one of these. It's good.
Very easy. This will make you feel really good about yourself until you
All
pull
the-
something else.
All the transmission to engine bolts are 14 millimeter. Engine mount bolts are 14 millimeter.
Header bolts are all 14 millimeter.
Header bolts 14 millimeter.
2 10 mil grounds on the side.
2 grounds.
Coolant hose. There's like a cover and stuff right here. It's a bunch of little plastic clips and what, like 12 mils for the skid plate and the other
Belly pan.
stuff. Yeah, and then there's like a softer one that's all 10s. Loosen this pipe. You don't have to take it all the way out. If you want to show them this, a little trick.
That guy.
This pipe. Take
That is
that off when you take the
the-
header off because you have to pull it out of these studs to pull the header off.
Sort of the down pipe, up pipe, something pipe.
Right here, this is on the passenger side of the car, straight up. There's 2 O2 sensors. Pull the plug, unplug those. That's all the wiring that you need to pull on the bottom of the car. Besides the 2 grounds, I don't really count that as total wiring. No, that's all stuff.
And that about covers it for the bottom. Now we're going to go up
that's
to the top.
Whee! No! Bully's up there. Bullia!
Dante set up a hammock in my shop. It's pretty fucking cool.
Bully's up there.
Nap time hammock.
Julia Bullia. Hello. Hello.
Tell him what's good.
Disconnect your battery. This is a motor.
That's an alternator, Dante.
That's an alternator. Take off your airbox and stuff. If you don't know how to do that, don't pull an engine. Drain your coolant. Pull the 2 coolant hoses.
Properly drain your coolant.
Toyota does this fucking, or Subaru really, I should say. So Subaru gets the props for this. The fucking main disconnects for the engine and shit. Super fucking easy. We're gonna have to disconnect the alternator and move a couple things over here out of the way. Pull the starter out. The AC compressor. You don't want to fucking just pull the lines because we get Freon and shit.
Yeah.
All in your face. It sucks.
Unbolt it and move it.
Yeah,
Over there.
you can put it right on the other side of the ABS pump. The fuel lines, the vacuum thingy going to the fuel lines.
Always check your level.
And that's really fucking it.
That's weird.
Yeah, that's
That's
really
super
it.
fucking
Except
cool.
for like a couple little clips you might have to take off over here.
They're like
I'm
mini
just-
anal beads.
I'm just drinking Dr. Pepper and I'm just pointing fingers. That's my job tonight.
Tonight Matt does less work than normal, but still working. I just got my snoot booped.
So, we found what we were looking for. Thanks, Matt. But also... what?
Back to
It's
work.
out. Yay, we're done!
All done.
This will be the shortest video you've ever posted.
No, we're gonna do the install too. Yay! And then burnouts. Oh, really?
What? You're damn right I'm gonna do a burnout in this.
Shop Bernie!
Shop Bernie!
Stay tuned.
I never really had a babysitter. My mom's friend Joanna used to.
Day 2.
We got a thing. I don't know why you showed me that. It's a 2013 engine, a 2016 car, so we might have to change out some sensors. We're not sure yet. We'll figure that out. And then AC compressor is still in the car. I don't know what he's gonna do about the alternator. I'm assuming these numbers are compression, so that's pretty good.
That is a compression.
Everything else is good. There's a dent in the oil filter, which is a little scary, but whatever.
I have an oil filter. That's probably from shipping.
But engine looks good. It's running. Do a burnout.
I will. We're going to get food, and then I'll go drive around the block to where the clutch in, and then I'll do a burnout.
Do you know Hayden? This is Hayden. He's our shop intern.
You almost said bitch. I would have yelled at you. That's mean.
But go subscribe to him on YouTube. He just started a YouTube channel and he's gonna do cool stuff. Take one.
Wait. Traction control.
Oh.
I have to do the pedal dance.
Gotta do a pedal dance.
1 second. I have to Google how to do a burnout.
Gotta Google how to do a pedal dance. Pedal dance? Where you go? I don't know what you do on this car.
Yeah, you have to do some.
Number 2.
Hey, let me go in the middle of the shop more.
Okay.
Choice drive, sorry.
A for effort.
A for D. Running.
Been ready.
Another one, I'll hold you. No. They're brand new fucking tires. Wait. I took the paint off. They're brand new fucking tires. Wait.
Look at Cory's baby ass little fucking burnout marks. Disappointed. I'm disappointed. Dante's disappointed.
I'm sad.
We're sad. Somebody come do a real burnout at my shop.
I'll do
One of you. Dante is gonna do one in his GS eventually. One day.
As soon as I get this thing back together.
Or on the bike. Once he gets the bike running. On the next video. Maybe this car video. Yeah. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm really sorry I haven't been posting videos a lot lately, but shit happens.